My video recording software gave me a Trec extension instead of an MP4 extension of the video I just recorded. So you see here, Trec file. In this format, I cannot edit it even on CapCut. Let me try to import it to CapCut. I want to import it into my CapCut to work on it, and we'll see what it will tell me. In fact, CapCut is not even seeing the file here. The file is supposed to appear here. Okay, this is one of them. This is one of the how to add a copyright-free sound. Let me click on it now and try to import it. Can you see? CapCut is telling me that it does not recognize this video format. So what I will have to do is to find a way to convert it to MP4. So from Trec, T-R-E-C, to MP4 so that I can use it. So to do that, what you have to do is to install an app. Install an app. So I go to my browser, search for the app called Fi Star. Search for that app with this logo, okay? So this first one, try to download it and install. Once you've downloaded and installed it, then you can use the app. Now, here on my desktop, if you look down here, this is the file. So I click on it to open it. When you click, it will open after installing, okay? So you first download it, install it. After installing it, you can click on it to open. I'm waiting for it to come up. Once it comes up, I will be able to work on that file. Okay, so this Fi Star has opened on my browser. So let me bring it up a bit. So this Fi Star, so it says add one or more files. So I want to add 2 files. There are 2 files like that. These 2 files. So I want to bring them in at the same time. So let Fi Star work on it. So is not asking me what I want. What would you like to do with this? So what I'll have to type what I want here. So what do I type? I will type convert to MP4, and I hit search. It will allow it to process the files. So it's working on it at the moment. It might take some time. So can you see from Trec to MP4, that's the task I'm about to give it to work on, okay? These are 2 files. So it will begin the work. So what you do next is to go to convert. So I hit on convert. Okay, it's showing me that there are options or plans. I need to select a plan. There's free plan, there's personal plan, there's professional plan. Now in the free plan, I have let's say 10 months here. Okay. Then I will have to sign in. I can't use this for commercial purpose, and I can't do batch processing. So I'll have to do it one by one. So I'll have to select this, and I'll try to use the particular email of mine. So you just put your email, then you say, okay, I will primarily use Fi Star as what? Let me select, just choose one thing. I want to choose others and click next. So I should check my email to put the code. So I'll go to my email. I'm checking that on my phone. Once I get my email, the code they've sent me over here on the email, I will enter that. Or I will need to copy this code. So it's not just a number code. It's a long code, so I'll need to we need to copy it. So let me copy it to my Telegram. I connected my Telegram to my laptop from my phone so that I can easily share files through that means. And that's something you can do so that you can easily, let me go to my Telegram now. So I want to bring it under here. Okay, so in a moment I'll bring it under there. So from my phone now, I'll just paste it and see if it comes here. Pasting it here. So it has shown up here. So I'll copy the code from here and I'll put it here and click on submit. Okay, so let's see once this conversion is done. All right, the conversion is done. If you notice that this is the input, this is the outcome. So it said done. Okay, so I will go and check to see if truly it is. Okay, this is the original. Okay, this is the one it did. Okay, so now you can see this one is in MP4, while this one is still in that Trec 5 format. Okay, let me try and play this and see what it looks like. Let me use this to try playing it and see what happens.
I promised I was going to do a video on how to start
it's good enough. It's good
sound
to
or music on YouTube. So
that's it. Now let me go to CapCut and see if I can now import it into CapCut. Certainly, you can see it here. The other one is not even showing, but this one shows up here. So I bring it into CapCut. So here now I can work on this very video. Okay, now it's not every time that your video player does or your video recorder does like that. I guess there was a problem somewhere which I'm going to rectify on that very video recorder. Okay, but in case you find yourself in that situation, that's exactly what to do. You can use 5-star and get it resolved from Trec 5 format to MP4 format or any format at all you want the video to be. See you in the next video. Remember to subscribe so that once I upload, you'll be notified.